Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto-related content. All links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This comparison is based on my personal experience using both wallets. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into the Exodus versus Avalanche wallet debate. Which crypto wallet reigns supreme? Let's explore their strengths, weaknesses, and ideal user base to help you choose the right one for your needs. Exodus is a well-regarded software wallet celebrated for its user-friendly design and extensive support for over 200 cryptocurrencies. This includes major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as a wide array of altcoins. Whether you're a crypto novice or a seasoned trader, Exodus offers a clean, intuitive interface packed with useful features. From storing, sending, and receiving crypto to its integrated exchange functionality, Exodus simplifies crypto management. The built-in exchange allows for seamless crypto swaps without ever leaving the wallet. For enhanced security, Exodus integrates with Trezor hardware wallets. Available on both mobile and desktop, Exodus provides a versatile and convenient platform for managing diverse crypto assets from a single location. However, as an online or hot wallet, it might not be the most secure solution for long-term storage of substantial crypto holdings. Alternatively, the Avalanche wallet is specifically engineered for the Avalanche blockchain and its native AVAX token. As a non-custodial wallet, users maintain complete control over their private keys. It seamlessly supports Avalanche-based assets like AVAX and other tokens operating on the Avalanche C-chain. Unlike Exodus, which caters to a broad spectrum of blockchains, Avalanche Wallet occupies a more specialized niche within the Avalanche ecosystem. This makes it perfect for users actively engaged with the Avalanche network, providing frictionless access to Avalanche dApps, staking opportunities, and efficient token transfers. It's the ideal choice for those deeply embedded in the Avalanche ecosystem, prioritizing specialized functionality over the multi-asset management offered by Exodus. In short, Exodus stands out as a versatile, multi-currency wallet with an exceptionally user-friendly interface. Avalanche Wallet, conversely, is the premier choice for users dedicated to the Avalanche blockchain. If you're a general crypto user dealing with various assets, Exodus might be a better fit. However, for those heavily invested in the Avalanche ecosystem, the dedicated Avalanche Wallet provides a superior, tailored experience. Be sure to check the description for additional details and direct links to both wallets.